Alright, what do you got in your hand there, girl?
Some M&M's Pops.
It was M&M, the little minis?
Yeah.
Alright.
Guess what?
What are you going to do?
We're making an icy.
You going to make an icy pop out of this thing?
Yeah.
Let me see. You think we can?
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
We gotta get a knife, put it inside there.
We going to use a knife as one of the sticks?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's see what kind of knife we have today. It's eating them? Yeah.
So like that, you're thinking?
Yeah. Is it?
See that this isn't a sharp knife, it's just a butter knife. No chance to hurt anybody. Be careful when you do this. Alright, so we're thinking something like that, right?
Yep.
So we're going to put some liquid in there.
Liquid inside it. So
And we're going to freeze it.
Yeah.
And then we're going to use these as our sticks.
And then try to pull it out.
Alright, let's see if we get another one. Let's see up here. I think I have one more, and I do. Ah! See?
Yeah.
I used this tube for something else, but I think we can now make two.
Yes.
One for you and one for me.
I'm beginning orange and you're beginning red.
Okay. So we should do it?
Okay, what kind of food do you like better? Like
We're gonna just freeze some Gatorade.
Yeah.
If you think that we can make Gatorade sickles?
Yeah.
What do you got? What do you got? What do you want flavor you gonna make it?
Okay. I know you like that I do that.
Should I do a Diet Dew one?
Yeah. I know you like that I do.
You know I do. Well, how about we take that right there then?
Where?
The 2 liter, the big bottle.
Okay, because these are not good.
Those are good.
I
I just don't wanna
Right here?
that'll work.
That is doing that you do.
Alright, which one are you doing?
And I'm doing is my juice bag.
What about that one? The potion one?
My potion?
The ones you mixed up?
Yeah.
Ooh, that might be good, huh? Okay?
Yep.
Alright.
Ready? No, wait, this
Alright, let's take the knives out. Those are our sticks.
are our sticks. Now put it in first.
Alright, take your time.
I got it.
Take your time. Yeah. Here you go. So you're gonna make a potion that you and Grandma make at Grandma's house? So you're gonna make a potion popsicle? And then I'm gonna make a Diet Dew potion, right? Keep going. Stop. Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, don't let it spill, okay?
Okay.
Let's put this lid on. It's a little too full. Okay.
Let's close it.
No, you can't close it. You gotta put the stick in it.
Careful.
Alright, so that way we can put it in the freezer and it'll freeze. Alright, let me do mine. And you know I'm gonna do a Diet Dew. Yeesh.
How much time it needs that?
How long do you think it has to stay in there?
Yeah.
I don't know. Can you open the freezer for me?
Okay.
Alright.
Right.
Let's see. Ooh, do we have a spot to put it?
Right.
Got it spilling. Is that a good spot right there?
Right there, actually.
Alright, let's see what we got.
Let's see what we got here.
So we got them chilling right there.
Right there.
Alright, let's see if the door's gonna hit it. Watch your
Looking.
face. I don't know.
Perfect. Let's wait for how much minutes that is?
Alright, so we're gonna wait for that to freeze and then we'll take them out and show you what it looks like. Who knows what it's gonna look like, but it's gonna taste great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so
The
we're gonna-
icy stuff.
I think they
Floated. Mine is really good. Mine is really good.
Yours is probably gonna taste great. Don't hit your head.
Mine is really good.
So while these are
Heating up.
heating up a little bit, so maybe we can pull them out. I just wanted to show y'all, they're not a sharp knife, it's actually a butter knife. So I don't want y'all to think that we're gonna cut our mouths by licking on it. But
I want to Daddy! Whoa! Wow! Look at my popsicle!
Well, take it, look, see if it's any good.
Mm.
Is it good?
Yeah. I know how it always tastes really good.
Oh. I'm not getting mine soon. Oh, you're done? I think so. Oh, yeah.
Whoa! You just turned green. Taste good?
Oh, it tastes just like Diet Dew.
Yummy. I can't believe it. This tastes really good.
That's worked out pretty good, didn't it?
Yeah.
All right, so what do you say to the camera?
Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button down below.
That's it.